Hi, Governor Ezeaku is my name. The people's governor. Son of the great Shanamite. The information I got this evening, and a clear one at that, has it that Matthias has been rearrested and detained right now. Though I felt very, very bad when I got the information, because I think it is necessary that peace should reign. Then, in the other hand, I stopped. I wasn't available to post or maybe even make some videos since day before yesterday evening, because I've been very, very busy with my daily makings. But unfortunately, I had to come online now to express my feelings the moment I got a call that Matthias has been rearrested and detained in Abuja. Matthias and followers of Matthias, that is if you will listen, because I know many of you will not listen. You are the one sending Matthias back again to serve. And if Matthias should appear in court on Monday, then you are the cause of it all. Matthias was granted bail based on an affidavit. He swore to go treat himself. Then he will come back. He was granted 1 day freedom that let them take him to any hospital around. All of a sudden, they sneaked out of Abuja. Matthias, you should have waited and settled that matter amicably there. Too much. When you are guilty of something, go and ask people. The best approach is settle with your complainant. Matthias left Abuja. Surprisingly, he came down from the aircraft, from the flight, and was waving his hands. Only a few hours later, follow me and hear exactly what happened. Matthias, when they started looking for him, they saw the video online. The DSS said, no, this can't be. So they invited his shorties and detained the both of them. They were in custody yesterday till today. Matthias got the information and ran to a hospital and took some pictures and posted over the internet. Suddenly, when he saw that the pressure was so high, he jumped back to Abuja. That wasn't the best approach, brother. That show on the street of Onitsha alone, they were mocking, they were even trying to, I don't understand, in fact. I don't understand these people. They were even doubting that it was their money, their contact. The retired DIG you called did not tell you that you've done well. He was also on the side of appealing, shooting for peace. Dear sir, the former DIG, sir, I am now directing my message to you. The person you stood for on Monday, did you see his character? They turned back just some hours later. He was even on microphone. I should have gone to screenshot the side where he even mentioned he prayed for people and said in Jesus' name. I mean, as at yesterday. What are people doing? Now, followers will push you astray. When Matthias saw the pressure, he fled back to Abuja this afternoon. And he's been detained right away. If Matthias appears on court on Monday, you are the cause, his followers. I don't wish him bad, but please be very, very careful. Those things you guys are doing are lingering the whole thing. The more many of us came up on videos and we pleaded no Zugo, because the moment you beat the child, you still at least bring the child back. I don't wish him bad, but what his followers are doing is very, very bad. It is uncalled for. I don't want to say, some of them were even making videos. Some bloggers were even making videos. You are not calling him king. Freedom. You are not with your own family. You'll be with your own family. Do you also have conscience? Do you consider the children of that Matthias Ezeaku, his wife? His their business. Outside social media, we still have a life to live. We still have a life to live. Now, some individuals are now buying into the matter again. It is wrong. You people should allow Matthias to have his peace. Tell him the truth also, caution him. I know that some pastors are not good. I have a video here where somebody, a woman was confessing that a pastor from Benue. Today, I instructed somebody to make a petition to write a letter of complaint to the chairman or president of Benue State. And I understand that things are going astray, but anyhow, you can amend these things. You join hands, let us amend it. That pastor, either tomorrow morning I will post the video of that woman, her confession, either here or at my backup page, the People's Governor. While you are doing things, you follow, there are steps to follow. A magistrate in Anambra, a former chief magistrate in Anambra State, sold the land to somebody. Illegal, and took about 21 million naira. I had to write through a lawyer. We wrote a letter to the woman, a notice of refund. She has not obeyed for a very long time now. The next thing to do is to write to NJC. I have every data and every record. You don't just post, you don't just start attacking. Even if I want to post, I won't post a picture. There are ways to handle these things. We are taking due process. That's what we are doing. A retired magistrate, chief magistrate in Anambra State. And the young youth who paid this money is in Lagos. He is in Lagos suffering, working hard. May we all be very, very careful. Matthias Ezeaku, we will appeal that you may go home. But I pray you learn your lessons. I pray. You see all this cheering up now. Akwapogi prison, Toginga. You won't see these people. These noises you're seeing now, you won't see them again. My name is Governor Ezeaku, the People's Governor, son of the great Shanamite. I'll bring you more updates tomorrow.